clam. A clam is a type of bivalve mollusk that lives in the sea or in freshwater habitats. It has a hard, protective outer shell made of calcium carbonate that opens and closes to allow the clam to filter water and feed on plankton and other small organisms. Clams are commonly used as food and can be cooked in a variety of ways, such as steamed, boiled, fried, or baked. They are also important in some cultures as a traditional food or delicacy. Some species of clams are also used in the production of pearls, which are formed when a foreign object becomes trapped inside the clam's shell and the clam secretes layers of nacre around it. Pearls have been valued for their beauty and rarity for thousands of years and have played an important role in human culture and commerce. The lifespan of a clam can vary depending on the species and environmental factors. Some species of clams can live up to 500 years, while others may only live a few years. For example, the ocean quahog, Arcticoila indica, is one of the longest-lived animals on the planet, with some individuals living to be over 500 years old. However, other species such as soft-shelled clams, Myeronaria, typically have a lifespan of only 10-12 years. Here are some interesting facts about the life of clams. Number 1. Clams are bivalve mollusks that belong to the class Bivalvia, which also includes oysters, mussels, and scallops. Number 2. Clams are found in both marine and freshwater environments around the world, and there are more than 15,000 known species of clams. Number 3. The giant clam, Trichna gigas, is the largest clam species, and can grow up to 4 feet in length and weigh over 500 pounds. Number 4. Some species of clams, such as the ocean quahog, can live to be more than 500 years old, making them some of the longest-lived animals on the planet. Number 5. Clams are filter feeders and use their siphons to draw in water and filter out small particles of food such as plankton and algae. Number 6. Clams have a hard, protective outer shell made of calcium carbonate that they can open and close using a muscular hinge. Number 7. The shell of a clam grows in rings, which can be used to estimate the age of the clam. Number 8. Clams are an important source of food for many people around the world, and are commonly used in soups, stews, and seafood dishes. Number 9. Some species of clams are used in their production of pearls, which are highly valued for their beauty and rarity. Number 10. Clams are also an important part of marine ecosystems, helping to filter water and providing a food source for many other species of animals. Clams, like any other organism, face a number of biological challenges. Some of the challenges that are unique to clams include, number 1. Feeding. Clams are filter feeders, which means they feed by filtering water to extract microscopic organisms such as plankton. This process requires specialized anatomical features such as gills and siphons, which must be functional and efficient to ensure adequate feeding. Number 2. Reproduction. Clams reproduce by releasing eggs and sperm into the water, where fertilization takes place. However, successful reproduction requires the synchronization of multiple factors such as water temperature, salinity, and food availability, which can be challenging in certain environments. Number 3. Predation. Clams are a valuable food source for many predators, such as crabs, birds, and fish. To protect themselves, clams have developed a number of adaptations, such as burrowing into sand or mud, building protective shells, and using chemical defenses. Number 4. Environmental stress. Clams are sensitive to changes in their environment, such as changes in temperature, salinity, and pollution. These environmental stresses can affect their growth, reproduction, and survival. Number 5. Disease. Clams are susceptible to a number of diseases, including infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Disease outbreaks can have significant impacts on clam populations and the industries that rely on